Today we will work on a road sign. The task is not difficult, but quite interesting. So, here is the task. What does this warning sign indicate? Number 1. Stop immediately. Active train ahead. Number 2. Yield to traffic coming from the left. Number 3. A railroad crossing is ahead. Be prepared to stop. Number 4. Only trucks must stop at this sign. Pause the video and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you will find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 5 seconds to think it over. I hope you had a time to make a choice because we are moving on to a breakdown of this task. The sign is a round yellow warning sign with a black X and 2 R's. It tells you that a railroad crossing is coming up, even if there are no flashing lights or gates. This sign means slow down, look both ways, and be ready to stop. If there's traffic ahead, never stop on the tracks. Wait until you can fully cross. Always treat this sign seriously, then trains can't stop quickly, and ignoring it could be deadly. So, the correct answer is number 3. Congratulations if you have chosen it. Subscribe to my channel so that the police never stop you and issue a fine. Drive safely and take care.